Welcome to the PM Pulse, continuing PMP in practice series by Palak Shah and Archana Chaudhary. In this video, learn about mastering PMP language part 2.
Minimal viable product MVP. It is the smallest set of features or functionality that a customer will find valuable and can be delivered as a product. So it's a working version that solves a core problem or meets a key need. Okay, and the focus is on learning and delivering early value. All right. So instead of building everything at once, you identify the essential features that make the product usable and meaningful to the customer. This allows for faster feedback, reduce risk, and smarter iteration. So for example, if you are developing a fitness application, the MVP might include user login, workout tracking, and progress charts. Okay.
The next one is on the backlog. So backlog, product or sprint we talk about, right? So in Agile, the backlog is essentially our to-do list, but it's more strategic than that if it is prioritized list of all the work that the team might ever do to deliver the product. Now, when we talk about backlog, we are talking about two kind of backlogs here. One could be the product backlog and another would be the sprint backlog. Product backlog is kind of, it's a master list of everything needed in the product, features, enhancement, bugs, technical work, or any research. So it's owned and prioritized by the product owner themselves. It evolves continuously as new insights or customer needs emerge. While talking about the sprint backlog, it's a subset of the product backlog. This item, the items you commit or the team commits to deliver in a current sprint only. It's owned by the development team who decides how to deliver it. This backlog isn't like static, it's a living document. It moves up, down in priority based on the feedback value and business changes. That's how agile team stay flexible while still maintaining focus. Well, iterations. So iterations or sprint, it's a time box period. It's usually 2 to 4 weeks. It depends from organization to organization. Few of them have 2 week sprints, during which the team builds a working, potentially shippable increment of the product. Each sprint follows a consistent pattern. It starts with sprint planning to define what we will deliver. And then people continue with daily scrums to track the progress. The deliverables ends with like sprint review to show the increment, and it wraps up with a retrospective to improve the next sprint. Why it matters is it keeps delivery predictable and frequent. It encourages continuous feedback from the stakeholders. It helps team inspect and adapt quickly, reducing risk and improving the quality. So the backlog define what we will work on, while the iteration defines when and how we will deliver it. Together, they bring rhythm, focus, and flow to the agile delivery.
Next is retrospective. It's a time box meeting held at the end of an iteration where the team reflects on how to become more effective and tunes its process. Yeah, okay. So it's reflecting on what went well, what didn't, and how they can improve their processes going forward. So retrospectives are the team's opportunity to pause, reflect, and adapt. So unlike status meetings or reviews focused on deliverables, these retrospectives focus on team dynamics, collaboration, and process improvement. So the goal is continuous learning, right? More of process improvements or team's way of working. So after completing a sprint, the team holds a 1 hour retrospective and discussing how unclear requirements slow them down and how they can overall improve everything and backlog grooming before the next sprint. All right. I'd like you to scan this barcode to join our LinkedIn study group. Okay, so you can leave your comments, questions. Definitely want to stay connected, and you can also have any topic that you would like to cover, post on this group, and we'll make it more engaged. Okay.
Do connect with us. So the next slide is on our LinkedIn, barcode. So you can just, if you want to be in touch with us, feel free. So we are available anytime if you need any other help on the study.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification icon.